Does looking through a microscope change your view of the world? Do you want to become familiar with the smallest building blocks of living organisms? In the bachelor's degree program in molecular biology, you study at the interface between biology and chemistry and learn to understand many applications in biomedicine, genetic engineering, and biotechnology. Focus areas such as natural sciences, microbiology and cell biology, genetics, and many others offer a well-balanced and diverse education. Let's hear what our students say.
The molecular biology degree program allows me to explore the fascinating world of molecules and to uncover some secrets in life.
From food technology to medicine or waste technology, one day I will be able to apply my knowledge in many different fields.
Studies with perspectives, great colleagues and a great city. What else would you want more?
Interested? Head over to tugraz.at and apply for admission to the bachelor's degree program in molecular biology now.